Hello ladies, this is one fancy hair comb styled 2 different ways for all of your holiday occasions this year. So the first is the side comb hairstyle, and I'll just show you quickly how I get started. And so my bangs typically hang over to one side of my face already. And so I just took the opposing side and twisted it softly back and secured that with some bobby pins. Now this twist is at a diagonal, so you'll see from the top of my head, it moves at a diagonal towards the center of the back of my head to just give it some beautiful detail. And then the bottom of my hair will just sort of fluff out, and you'll see both sides of my hair on the bottom from the front. So it's a beautiful style to wear for family picture time, for holiday parties. So it really helps to show off those curls. And my hair is layered, and so I will need to refresh some of the curl clumps in the back because the twist does rearrange them quite a bit. So I'll just touch that up and level out the volume there. But this hairstyle would work well with shoulder length hair or even a little bit shorter, because the bobby pins and the twist really just hold that hair back. And so you don't need a particular length of hair to make this style work for you. And then when I put in the hair comb, it's sort of facing upside down before I insert it, and then I just twist it into the little tuck of the twist there. Tucked it into the twist, I guess you can say it. And so this is a lower position to be able to put the comb in, depending on the size, the length of your comb, your decorative hair comb. This is a lower one, sort of right at the height of the ear, or I also like it a bit higher above the ear, like at the top of the ear. And so that diagonal twist that we made gives it a really beautiful place for this comb to rest. So it has some pretty detail in the back, and then in the front, as you can see, it's still showing a lot of my hair, a lot of those curls. It'll be beautiful to show off some statement earrings if you have some beautiful eye makeup and lip color. It really helps to focus on you and your gorgeous features. And that's what's so fun about this hairstyle. It's really simple, but it has a very soft and glamorous look, and that it'll hold very well all day like this. And next up is the Curly Updo. So this is a fun one because I'm actually using 2 hair accessories. Here's a sneak peek of one that's hidden underneath, and then the hair comb is the decorative hair accessory that goes on last. And so first I'll show you how I get started. I'm going to get my hair all fluffed up and ready for this one. This one's really more like a cornucopia of curls, just placed right over on the top of your head. And so there's different ways to do this because you need to twist up the back of your hair. So you can, if you're good at doing the French twist like this, you can do it this way and tuck it in. It can be a little bit tricky though, because especially if you have layered hair like mine, because some of the pieces do want to fall out, and so it is a little tough to get it to all stay in place before you pin it together. So another way that I do this to get a really flat, smooth twist is to flip my hair forward and then start the twist from the base of my neck and then start twisting it up. So I just gather one, little by little, all the way from the base, all the way up to the crown of my head. So you'll see I'm just slowly moving section by section, and then I'm going to use a large volume barrette to secure that entire twisted lower section of hair into place. And then, so you'll see right now, just the front of my hair, all of my hair is just all loose. And so you can see the longer pieces are hanging on the side, my shorter layers are just sticking up. And so I'm gonna take the two sides of my hair, which are the longer pieces, and I'm going to switch sides. So it's like a little crossover. And then I'm just gonna pin that into place, and I'm letting the ends out, I'm letting the curls show, I'm just sort of pinning it over that volume barrette. So the volume barrette gives me super hold. This will last all day. I could even go for a run and it would not move. It's really, really good and it's comfortable. So then at this point, I'm just fluffing the curls and I'm trying to make a beautiful, even shape. So I just see where they want to land. I'm trying to create just a rounded shape, as you can see. So I'm just sort of moving them around, and then I'll just randomly pin in certain sections. I'll even put a couple of pins into that twist if it looks like it's popping out a little bit, just to keep it secured in place. And then right underneath where that volume barrette is where I'm gonna tuck in this decorative hair comb. Isn't this gorgeous? It's pearls and crystals. It's so pretty. And this will tuck in really, I don't even need to pin it. It'll stay just like this because it'll fit right into the base of this little puff. And then of course, I always have some curls in the front of my ears. And that is the look. So I hope you enjoy these two holiday looks with the decorative hair comb. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to check out more looks on Instagram as well. Subscribe for more videos like these, and I'll see you next time. Take care.